I know. We're told that waist trainers are everything, and waist trainers are the secret ingredient to every hourglass figure. But I want to tell you the ways to use it safely to keep your core strong and your body in proper alignment. Stay tuned. So we hear of girls that are wearing waist trainers 24/7, day after day, while they're sleeping, while they're working out, while they're at work, while they're grocery shopping, all these things, just to whittle their middle even quicker. But here's the thing. You have to look at it from a functional standpoint, and if you think about your body being in a corset or a brace 24/7, that in itself does not allow your body to have muscle engagement. So when you don't have muscle engagement, because the body is not going to react and use core stability if it doesn't feel the movement that fires those muscles. So you have this waist trainer on for hours on end and your muscles stop firing. So when your muscles stop firing, you lose strength. Okay, so it gets to the point where you're gonna find discomfort in not wearing the waist trainer because it's giving your body that support that it has now lost from utilizing that artificial support for too long. Okay, so you think about core strength, you think about when you bend over, when you pick something up, when you stand up tall, you need all of those muscles to be strong and reactive to keep everything in alignment. So the more you wear the waist trainer, the less that happens. And that's when it all comes rolling in. So whether it's low back pain, whether it's an inability to stand up tall, whether it's just muscle fatigue, you know, and a lot of back pain is achiness. And a lot of times achiness is just the muscle has no more endurance, okay? And so that's why you're feeling that pain. So if you'd like to safely use your waist trainer, you can use it on an as needed basis. So that would mean as you're actively working out, because it will add heat retention, which will then let go of water weight because you're sweating out and it's really focusing on that area. So if you wear it solely when you're working out, and then maybe even 30 minutes after your workout, and then you take it off, so not keeping it on for longer than maybe an hour, hour and a half, then you're not going to affect that core stability, core strength, core endurance that's really necessary for all functional movements and necessary to keep your body healthy, okay? So keep all of that in mind, and I do want you to check in with the Fitness Bella again. Thanks for checking in with the Fitness Bella. I hope to see you next time. I upload every Friday, so can't wait to see you then. Ciao!